Hi, Jayden. Today I want you to read this book. It is called Splat the Cat. Okay, this is a read to me book. So look down at the bottom. Can you see the green arrow? So if you want the book to be read to you, you could press on that arrow and it will read it to you.
Harper Children's Audio presents Splat the Cat by Rob Scotton.
Okay, if it goes too fast, you can press pause. So read all the way to the end, or you could read some of it and listen to some of it. Here's some pictures. And at the very end of the book, you can take the quiz. So press start the quiz, and it will ask you 5 questions about the book. Okay, so you have to pay attention when you read. So we'll try that for tomorrow. All right? Okay, good luck.